Hello everyone, you are listening to Dr. Huma Ibrar. If you are planning to work as a physiotherapist in Qatar, this video is extremely important for you. At the end of this video, you will have all A to Z knowledge about how to get license in Qatar. So don't skip this video and watch till the end as I'll explain from required documents to exam clearing guidance all in one in this video. So first, let's talk about the biggest update of 2026. That is, having a master's degree no longer exempts you from the Qatar Prometric Exam. So in this video, I'll explain the complete step-by-step licensing process, updated rules for 2026, common mistakes, and important tips all in one place. To apply as a physiotherapist in Qatar, you must have a recognized bachelor's degree in physiotherapy or TPT. Important 2026 rule is that even if you have a master's or MPT, you are still required to pass the Qatar Prometric exam if you studied outside the Qatar. So master's degree, not an exam exemption anymore. Now let's talk about step-by-step licensing process. Step number 1 is you have to create account on THP, that is Department of Healthcare Professionals Qatar portal. So you have to make account on DHP Qatar portal. The licensing authority in Qatar is DHP. Create an account on DHP online portal. Fill in your personal and professional details. Upload your documents there. Step number 2 is upload required documents on DHP. You must upload clear scanned copies of number 1, bachelor's degree certificate, number 2, academic transcript, number 3, passport or national ID, number 4, home country physiotherapy license, number 5, experience certificate if available, number 6, good standing certificate. Tip here I will share is that blurry or incorrect documents are the most common reason for rejection. Now let's talk about step number 3. Submit DHP application. Once all the documents are uploaded, submit your application on the DHP portal. Important rule here is that you cannot apply for Dataflow directly like in Saudi license or DHA. So DHP will generate the Dataflow verification request for you. So step number 4 is Dataflow primary source verification. After submission, DHP sends you a Dataflow link. You pay the verification fee. Your documents are verified directly from original sources. Now what the Dataflow verifies? It verifies your degree, license, experience, and good standing certificate. Now the question comes, what is Dataflow and how to apply for Dataflow? The complete video about Dataflow procedure is also uploaded in my YouTube channel. Link is also given in description box. Kindly check it out. Now step number 5 is Qatar Prometric Exam, that is mandatory. Once Dataflow is cleared, you can book the Qatar Prometric Exam for physiotherapy. Now, how to book your Qatar Prometric Exam or how to simply book your Prometric Exam? This video is also uploaded in my YouTube channel about how to schedule your Prometric Exam. Link is given in description box. Kindly check it out. Now let's talk about the exam overview. This is the MCQ based exam, around 150 MCQs. Duration is 3 hours. Passing score is approximately 50%. Multiple attempts are allowed but limited. Again, I will remind you about master's degree does not exempt this exam. So now the next important question is, how should you prepare for the exam and where should you start? There is absolutely no need to worry because I am here to guide you from A to Z until you successfully pass your exam and even assist you in securing a job in Qatar. Since 2019, I have been preparing physiotherapists from multiple countries for international licensing exams and Alhamdulillah, I have maintained a 100% successful rate. I provide complete exam-oriented study material, structured online coaching, guidance for exam strategy, and job placement. If you wish to enroll, you can find my email ID in the video description, and it is also displayed on the screen. I am here to support you at every step for your professional journey. Now let's talk about the step number 6, that is final licensing after passing the exam. Your status is updated on the DHP portal. You receive your Qatar Physiotherapy license. You are now legally allowed to work in Qatar. Section 3, common mistakes to avoid: applying Dataflow before DHP. So you must have to apply in DHP before Dataflow. Assuming master's degree means no exam. Uploading unclear or incorrect documents. Ignoring DHP portal notifications. Section 4, tips for Prometric Exam. Focus on clinical scenarios. Practice MCQs regularly. Understand exam pattern. Manage time properly. Start preparation while Dataflow is in progress. So the summary is: number 1, you have to make your account on DHP and upload your documents. Second is Dataflow verification. Third is Prometric Exam. Simple but must be done in correct order. So this was the complete and updated 2026 guide to become a physiotherapist in Qatar. If this video helped you, like, share, subscribe. Comment below: am I eligible for Qatar? What should I do first? I'll reply to your questions. Thank you for watching this video.